off almost a week, so it feels good.
And see what happens. Look at my camera.
Guys!
He's like, fuck this, I'm out.
Heavy rain across the Warren area. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Williamstown, Christmas, Driver and Sherman. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Don't go in there.
Flooding.
Lesson learned.
And weather.gov/LN
You good?
and submit your report
I don't know.
when you can do so safely.
They should didn't do it Cloverfield style. That would have creeped me out.